In this question, we are given a curve, and it is said that the curve passes from -2, 3, and it is also given that slope of the tangent to the curve at any point xy is given by 2x by y square. So what does this mean? This means that the slope dy by dx is equal to 2x by y square. So before solving this differential equation to get the required curve, one thing we must remember is this chapter or the chapter on solving differential equations is all about methods. One must know all methods, and one must also know where and when can we apply the method. So the first method here, so the method I would use here is variable separable. So basically what variable separable, what I'll do is I'll try to bring the all the variables of say all the same variables to one side. So let's just say there is some equal to 0. This is some differential equation. Then what I'll try to do is I'll try to write it if dy into f of y plus some dx into g of x plus some dz into h of z so on is equal to 0. So I'll just separate them. I'll just separate them and write them. Now if we differentiate this, we can write the whole integration as separate thing. So that will just become all the differentials will just get out, and will get in terms of capital F of y plus g of y, so capital G of x plus capital H of z equal to 0. So this will be some curve equation or whatever, but the differential equation will get solved by bringing the variables separate to them. But we can't separate variables always. For example, here in this question, instead of this, let's say if there is some extra x, we can't just separate x outside and y outside. We can't do that here. So but here in this question, since we can separate, we can use the method variable separable. So what happens is dy into y square will be equal to 2x into dx. So simply integrate them separately, and then we'll get this. If we integrate this, is simply y cube by 3 plus c1. This is equal to right side 2 into x square by 2 plus some constant integration constant of integration c2. So this will become y cube by 3 plus minus 2x square by 2 is x square plus c1 minus c2 is equal to 0. So this is what happened, and now it is here that this passes through point -2 comma 3. So just put -2 comma 3 in that. We'll get from this y cube 3 cube by 27 by 3 minus x square is simply 2 minus 2 square, so 4 plus some this c1 minus c2 is simply we can write a single constant of integration c. This will be equal to 0. Now c, this is 9 minus 4 is 5 plus c equal to 0, that implies c equal to -5. So if you put c equal to -5, we will get the particular solution for this expression, that is y cube by 3 minus x square plus c is simply -5 is equal to 0. So that implies y cube by 3 here x square equal to x square plus 5 is a curve which is satisfying the slope condition, and it is also passing through given point. So all I have done is wrote slope is equal to dy by dx and just equated it to the given expression, and using one of the methods that I have known, I tried to integrate it and find a general solution to that differential equation, and then by just putting the given point, it must satisfy the given point, right? So that's why I put the given point, and I found the this arbitrary constant c. So once it became a particular constant, the our solution becomes particular, that is required solution.